All right, you're welcome. You're welcome. I want to quickly show you how to make inside cover, inside page of your Jotter. The other day we treated the outside and the back, front and back of it. So today I want to quickly show you how to make the inside cover. Let's go on immediately. First of all, you come here, check the image size and make sure that you set it to it's in the same size. I told you that this is not the only size you can use. You can use 1020 by, depending on what you want to achieve. But here I decided to use this one. Okay, now you have seen the sizing. Make sure they are equal, because all the both the back, the front and the inside should be equal size. Now what do you do? First of all, you will, let's bring in the image of the guy. Let's bring in the image. I want us to, I don't know whether they actually did it like that there, but I want to show you something. Good. Just position it well. Bring it down so it doesn't hang. Then come to opacity. You see opacity here? You see opacity? Yeah. Now reduce this guy. Reduce him. Good. Can still reduce him more. And then now lock him. Lock it. Now I just want us to see if you can create something similar to this. Now how do we do that? What we do is that we come, you bring in a shape, a line like this. Bring in the shape. Just stretch it very well. Make it black in color. Keep it somewhere here. Can still make it like, let it not be too tiny, so it not give us too much tough time. And once you get it like this, you can now begin to position it. All you need is to copy it. Once you copy it, you bring it here. You copy it, you bring it here. You copy it, you bring it here. So that is how you continue. Okay, now I am done. I think I'm done with the thing. So what I need to do is to make my write up. Just simply make my write up. Thank you.
Look, in the share. Feel.
Now when you do this, come here, come to this spacing and space this guy of mine like this. Space it, you can space it to the end. Now relative position and put it at the center like this. Use relative position and put it at the center. Now there is something we need to do now that is very important, and that is to bring in this picture. Okay, so let's get him let's get him. First of all, let's begin with this guy here. We will copy him. When you copy him now, if you are using the copy, if you copied him, that means you have to come here and like you have to increase the opacity here. You saw where I tapped to increase my opacity. So when you are using it, you also have to do the same thing. You just have to get his yeah, this is okay. Then let's also make the congratulation make the congratulation right up. Say congratulations. 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 I want it to be initial caps. So congratulations. Yeah, not the other way around. Now let's see if we can get something creative, just a little bit creative. So you use this thing, just reduce it. I want us to see if we can be a little bit creative with it. Then now position it well. Good. So the next thing we will do now, the next thing we want to do is to bring in this other picture. And here is what we are going to do. Pay attention here. So when you come here now, reduce. It's like we're not seeing what you're doing. So let's use a color, or let's use okay, let's just use this color. Now once you make it like this, do the radius, keep the radius at 25, then mark it. Now come to crop like this. Come here and change the orientation, like crop it, crop a quarter of it. Good. Once you crop it like this, you can reduce it. We can now bring it here. Copy it. When you copy it, change the orientation. I want it to be up, like I want it to be a contrast. I want to create a contrast with it. And you see what I'm doing, right? Still bring this guy a little bit lower. Good. Now here is what we are going to do. We are going to texture in our guy. So go and bring him where he is. Wherever he's hiding, find him, fetch him. I don't know the picture to use actually, because I believe you already have the picture. Am I going to see it now? Pixellab. Okay. Here are some of my recent works. Okay. Which one are you going to use now? So we don't have to use many. Let's just use a simple. We can still use this one that is here. or let's just use this one. Just use it. Just use it. You just crop it to the chest region. All I want is for you. Okay, this guy. The guy is upside down. So here is what you are going to do. Here is what you are going to do. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Okay. Here is what you are going to do. Leave him like that. I don't need trouble. So what we'll do now is to reorient it, keep it the way it's supposed to be. Keep it the way it's supposed to. Now bring this one to this side. Okay. Now this one will now get it and keep it by the side. Okay. We'll get this other one. But here is what you are going to do. We'll now bring this guy here to this extreme. We'll bring him here because of what you want to create. Now let's see how it works. Hope you are following what I'm doing. Follow it carefully. Let's see what will happen. Okay, Pixellab. Okay, so let's try it. Don't touch this any of the sides. So whatever you are doing, let it be to increase and to reduce before you distort the whole thing. I think this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. If we do it like this, the thing they know, that means we not show it very accurately. So here is what you are going to do. We reduce it small. Yeah, so this one we reduce it small. Good. Now we position it very well. I actually wanted that color to show here, but it's because of the background it's not showing. But I just believe you are seeing what I'm doing now. If you like, we can still add it. We can still include. We can still put this guy stroke. We can still put stroke. Let's see how it looks. If it doesn't work, then we leave it. Here is how stroke works here. So we can still put it here. I think it works fine. It works fine, right? Yeah. So yeah, you may decide to we may decide to remove it, but that is it. Then this one, you may also decide to leave it in black and white like this. That's how we normally use it on black and white. Or you can still change the color. Change the color, or just as it is, you can still make it darker, something darker. Good. Even this one, let's also change it. This one just copied now, I don't want it. Delete it. So come to stroke and change the color to this one. Change the color to this one. So there will be consistency, okay? That's why I'm doing this thing. And once we achieve this, I think we are good to go now. You see, this is how the inside page looks like. Now you can save your work. If you like, you can also pin these guys so they don't distort or corrupt your work. I don't know what recently most of my works are getting bugs. So you can save inside page, inside cover. You can save it. Mimo mimo, daddy, mimo mimo.
I don't know what I found.
What is this?
Is it like
This is a Jotter. Okay, you have seen what we did, right? Now, don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe if you are getting valued, and also tell someone about this training. Tell someone about this class. I will still show you how to mock it up and how to I'll show you the mock-up right now, but before then, let's end